Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to play More Than Enough on the piano. And if you don't want to miss out on more content that's coming, guys, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell while you're at it. So the basic way we're going to do this is we're going to be in the key of B flat minor. And however you want to call this, usually when you're vamping, you would do like a 1, then a 4 over 1. That's in a major. If you're vamping with major, you're like. But we're not. We're in minor. And usually when you vamp with a minor, you're like. And I've got a whole video on vamping that talks about minor vamping and major, but we're kind of not doing either. So we're doing this B flat minor 7. We're adding that A flat for that minor 7. So that's a 1 minor 7. But then we're going to kind of do a. So we're just switching this D flat to an E flat. So we're kind of rocking between the right hand and the left hand. And I'm doing that. It's kind of like a suspension. It's a really odd thing here to say a B flat suspension with a 7 or add 7 maybe. Then back to that B flat minor. So anyway, that's kind of what I'm doing there. My God is more than enough. He can supply all my needs. So, and I'm kind of going down to this E flat over F, that 4 over 5. So 1 minor, 4 over 5, 1 minor, 4 over 5, 1 minor, 4 over 5, then we're going to walk up. So B flat minor, E flat over F, E flat over F. And when you walk up, you're going to go B flat minor, C minor, B flat minor over D flat, B flat major over D, and I'm doing an E flat and I'm adding that 2, and you can add the 2 and the 7, so I'm in an E flat with the 7 added and the 2, and I like to play it like that instead of trying to play it like, if you're trying to add the E flat, that's hard to do, add the 2 and the 7. If you add it like this, you can double, the thumb can double for 2 keys. E flat, or this is actually a D flat over F. Instead of the normal, you're going. So that's the whole premise of the chorus and the verses. It's like. So that's a 1 minor, 4 over 5, 1 minor, 4 over 5, 1 minor, 4 over 5, 1 minor, 2 minor, 1 minor over 3 flat, 1 over 3, 4, and this would be a 3 flat over 5, because it's there's the 3 flat. Back to that 1 minor. That's your numbers. And then when you get to the bridge part, you walk up like you do normally with the B flat minor, C minor, B flat minor over D flat, B flat over D. Why should I worry about the highs and the lows? That's just a basic E flat, a 4. The ups and the downs, when by my faith I know. Back to that F, that 5. By my faith I know my God is more than enough. And on that time I walked up by going alternating. So I'm going to go through this whole thing kind of and play it as slow as I kind of can and keep that pattern so you can try to follow along with me. My God is more than enough. He can supply all my needs. He is my El Shaddai. He always looks out for me. Jehovah Jireh, He is my God. All of the earth is His, and the fullness thereof. Everything that I need, you can be sure of. Jehovah Jireh, He is my God. Jehovah Jireh, He is my God. Why should I worry about the highs and the lows, the ups and the downs? When by my faith I know my God is more than enough. So I'm doing that little bum 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 bum. However you want to rock those, and that's how I like to play More Than Enough. Well guys, that's it. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you do subscribe, and as always, God bless.